99.7 now. Number one for all the hits in Big Bay Mornings. I'm Dennis Martinez in for Fernando. And don't worry, Fernando acting today for St. John. Moving things around a little bit. He'll be on at 3 o'clock. So you still get to hear your Fernando today just later on in the afternoon. So don't worry. Coming up directly, though, Harry Styles, Post Malone. And for Sophia in Mountain View, I got your One Republic in 4 minutes.
The spell is cast. Halloween time is back at the Disneyland Resort.
And 99.7 now has your chance to experience the magic. Happy hauntings are Disney California Adventure Park and Disneyland Park.
Fiendish family fun happening now through October 31st.
And you won't want to miss the Spellabration.
Visit 997now.com to see how you can win 2-day, 1 park per day Disneyland Resort tickets. Offering subject to capacity, restrictions, and change without notice.
Gorgeous gaming, stunning streams, unbelievable bandwidth. It's another Lifestyles of Gagillionaires. Meet the AT&T fiber customers winning at life with hyper gig speeds. Meet Gagillionaire Terry. While his love of streaming horror movies has him constantly on the edge of his seat, his internet bill won't give him a scare.
Oh, don't go in there. I'm telling you.
Because since Terry upgraded to AT&T fiber with hyper gig speeds, he doesn't worry about data caps or equipment fees.
Come on, man. The door's open for a reason.
And best yet, he also doesn't stress about a price increase at 12 months, because with the amazing Gagillionaire lifestyle comes an exquisite sense of tranquility. Most of the time. Live like a Gagillionaire. Get straightforward pricing with AT&T Fiber. Internet that upgrades everything. No data caps, no equipment fees, and no price increase in 12 months.
Limited availability in select areas. Visit att.com/hypergig for details.
Hey, it's Greg, and you know it seems like everywhere you look, price inflation is hitting the Bay Area. So wouldn't it be great to actually turn back the clock on inflation while fixing your nearsightedness and astigmatism?
Can't believe